Hey everyone, welcome to a quick demo of tags in Space. Tags is a new feature and it allows you to organize your tasks, projects, and areas in ways that cut across everything else, across dates, across weeks, across projects and areas. And that makes them really powerful and a really flexible additional way to categorize your work and allow you to focus as well. Let me show you how it works. So first you need to go into settings and add a couple of tags. And of course, there's different approaches here. You can use tags in different ways. I'm going to use the example of location-based tags. So I'm going to add a home tag and an office tag. And so now what I can do is I can tag this project with office, since I'll be doing this project at the office. And preparations for my Italy trip, I'll do that at home. Now, when I select a couple of tasks here and schedule them for today, same here. Now, these tasks will show up in my day view, obviously, but there's also a filter bar here, and I can quickly filter for the home tasks that I want to do at home and tasks that I want to do at the office. So this is really powerful, but of course you can also add tags to specific tasks, not just to whole projects. So for instance, if I have actually a kitchen renovation project and I want to sneakily order the cabinet samples at the office, I can just tag that task with office. And then of course, when I filter, of course, I do need to schedule it for today if I want to have that show up on today. So now that order cabinet samples also shows up in my day view filtered for office. So this is really powerful. And within a project, you can also use tags and filter, even if it already has a tag of its own. So if I add a tag, waiting, for instance, like status, if I can use this for things that need input from someone, for instance. So let's say I need some further input before I can implement the chart components. I can add that tag, and then it's really easy to filter on everything that needs input within the project view itself. You can also combine tags. So if I have this kitchen renovation project, and actually in order to order those samples, I also need some more information. So now it has two tags, both office and waiting. So this is a very flexible additional way to organize your stuff and allows you to get a bit more focus. One thing that helps there is that tags are sticky. So if you have filters active for tags, then those are remembered for a couple of hours. So now when I go back to my day view, office is still active, and here on week, office is also still active. So this really allows you to get into the flow and focus on that specific tag for as long as it's relevant for you. And these filters are view specific. So maybe in the plant-wise view, you want to filter for waiting, right? What I had just selected. While on the day view, you filter for office. Both are remembered independently. I hope tags allow you to stay in the flow more and get more of your goals done. See you soon.